Welcome. This is a user guide to the Ocean Acidification International Coordination Center bibliographic resources. The OAICC bibliographic resources have been developed to support the field of ocean acidification. They include a comprehensive compendium of available OA research on ocean acidification, cataloged in a system that has been developed and maintained by experts in the field. This is a powerful tool for policymakers, stakeholders, and the academic community to explore the field of ocean acidification as well as study its development over the years. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access the bibliographic databases via Zotero and pCloud, explore the OAICC Biological Response Data Portal, a custom tool for meta-analysis and review of the response of marine life to ocean acidification, and use our custom keywords, created and standardized by a team of ocean acidification experts. As we begin, let's learn more about what the OAICC does. The OAICC is promoting global cooperation in a changing ocean world. We are a peaceful uses initiative project of the International Atomic Energy Agency, responding to the need to coordinate, promote, and facilitate global ocean acidification science. The OAICC acts as a hub for the community, organizing events, supporting our global partners, and providing scientific resources like the bibliographic database, among other activities. We support not just the academic community, but also policymakers, the media, schools, and the general public. Our services include training and capacity building, technical and logistical cooperation on research projects, and a suite of resources including best practices, our database, guidance, and more. Now let's take a look at our news stream as we navigate to find more information about accessing the bibliographic resources. This is the Ocean Acidification news stream, a website maintained by the OAICC. Here we post the latest information on ocean acidification, including scientific articles, media coverage, jobs, events, reports, videos, community news, and much more. The website has been maintained for many years and follows a consistent citation style and format. All scientific articles posted in this website will be included in the OAICC bibliographic database. With over 10,000 posts from which to search from, this is a great tool to explore the field of ocean acidification. On our OA bibliographic database page, you can find information and links to access our bibliographic resources, as well as understand how to use them. Let's begin by going to the bibliographic database hosted in Zotero. Zotero is a reference management system that is available for use online in the cloud or on your desktop. With Zotero, you can follow the OAICC bibliography automatically by registering to join the OAICC group. To do so, you will need to create an account on Zotero. We recommend that you download Zotero on the desktop so you may have full access to all the features offered while exploring our database. Opening Zotero on the desktop, this is how the layout appears. Below my group libraries is the OAICC group folder with the latest version. If you join our group, this will be updated automatically when you sync your account. There are over 8,800 articles, and more are being added monthly. Select an article, and the metadata on the type of articles, its publication, and more is all available in a standard and complete format. This data is regularly quality controlled and updated, such as when the paper becomes published after being in press or reviewed. In the lower left-hand corner, you can see the different keywords, as well as the Pangea DOIs for the Biological Response Data Portal. By selecting these different keywords, you can filter papers very effectively. For instance, here I have selected corals, mesocosms, and photosynthesis, so we know we are looking at scientific articles which consider these three topics. As you can see, this is a powerful tool for navigating the study of ocean acidification. Now let's talk about the Biological Response Portal. You can access datasets on the response of marine life to the effects of ocean acidification from over 1,200 datasets using our custom portal. These datasets are made available on Pangea in a format that we have standardized and quality controlled. The DOIs for these datasets are listed in the keywords. To facilitate ease of access, we created the OAICC portal for ocean acidification biological response data. It's a user interface that allows for better visualization, organization, and access to data. There are user instructions on the portal, a tool for filtering datasets, and tables of what papers were and weren't included. Returning to the OA bibliographic database page, let's find the user instructions. Click on the button to get access to the document. This document goes into great detail about how to use our bibliographic resources. Here we'll just cover the basics. Scrolling down, you can see in the contents that the document includes information about the background of the project, use of pCloud and Zotero, and examples for each of our keywords. Let's discuss the keywords. Our keywords have been applied consistently for over a decade, since the project started, and this provides great consistency when searching for papers across many years of OA research. Keywords are focused on the kinds of experiments going on in ocean acidification science, particularly those studying biological response. Thus, there are many keywords related to biological response research. Here we summarize the keywords available and when they are applied. We have our main categories such as biological response, chemistry, and methods, which describe the type of article. If biological response is studied, or if marine organisms are substantially considered, there are keywords to characterize the taxa of organism. Next, we consider processes and parameters. Variables such as growth, morphology, mortality, and much more are all rigorously identified. Then we move to methods. Was the study conducted in the field or in the laboratory? We also consider special terms like, were vents part of the study? Was molecular biology work on genetics done? What other factors were manipulated? And more. Finally, we identify the major ocean basins where the work was conducted. This is only true for field work or where organisms were collected from the natural environment. There are many further details on keyword use, and you may continue reading for a deeper understanding of how each of these keywords are applied. To help you understand the keywords, we have linked to papers which we think are exemplary of what the keyword is trying to describe. While you learn to navigate our bibliographic resources, don't forget there's a lot of other digital resources that the OAICC offers. You can subscribe to our news stream, sync with our calendar, browse the resources library, and search our archives. We hope this video has been a great introduction to our bibliographic resources, as well as the other digital resources we have to offer. If you are interested in collaborating with the OAICC on projects, programs, and events, review our website and consider contacting us at OA-ICC@iaea.org.